Hello guys, this is Chainsaw Charlie. I'm out here July 3rd, 2018 at the DAV. We're having a cookout for the 4th of July. Fairgrounds is right here. There's the fairgrounds, Hancock County Fairgrounds. They're gonna have fireworks tonight. And so I'm out here helping out the disabled veterans that served our military, and we got a bonfire going on. There we go, looking pretty good. Still pretty hot out here, but here's where I'm at. There's the chef. Oh, you're sneaking food. Oh, I thought you were doing the food testing.
Nope. Cleaning off the grill.
There's Charlie Brown.
I got a little one of those. It's kind of broke. I gotta fix it.
If you need parts, they're always selling parts on eBay. So,
I don't want to spend any money.
right.
I want to take a look at yours though when you smell it.
Okay.
Just the battery compartment.
Okay. So, waiting on more people to show up for the DAV. It's going to be a good night. Looks like some storm clouds are up there, but we're gonna, hopefully they'll hold off. They've been holding off for this long. So, we'll go through here, and I won't get these videos put up until probably after July 4th. Maybe sooner, I don't know, we'll see. This is the fairgrounds. People all showing up for tonight for the big display of fireworks. So I'm gonna get off here. Wherever you guys are at, take care. Hopefully you're having a good 4th of July. Ciao.